is the next aspects of elements and molecules, chemical molecules in the cells that we should know about them. What is isomers? I will explain isomers with an example. You know this formula, C6H12O6. You know that this formula is the formula for glucose, but I told you that this formula is belong to more than 32 molecules. Not only glucose, but more than 32 molecules of this formula. I can name some of them. The first one is fructose, another sugars. The other is mannose, galactose, and so on. So, if a range of molecules have a formula, please don't have this class. If a variety range of molecules have the same molecular formula, and on the other hand, have different structure with the same formula, we name this range of molecules as isomers. So, isomers are molecules that have a same formula but have a different structure, like C6H12O6, which is a formula standard for glucose, mannose, galactose, fructose, and so on. Any questions? What are isomers? We have two different isomers. The first one is constitutional isomers. Which means we have different atom connectivities. We have an example for this type of isomers. As I said, C6H12O6 is a formula stand for glucose and fructose. But if you look at the structure formula of fructose, you can see such molecule. Can you tell me what is the difference between glucose and fructose? Two bond in fructose. This is fructose. Yes, this is the first one.
The second one, CH2O.
Two functional group as CH2OH. Two functional groups. What is this functional group? We can see that, and I showed you that this functional group is a carbonyl group, is second carbonyl group named ketone. Ketone. This is aldehyde and so what is the most difference between glucose and fructose?
Ketone. They don't have ketone.
The difference between them is that glucose has an aldehyde group. On the other hand, fructose has a carbonyl group. So the type, listen to my, the type of functional group between glucose and fructose is different. The type of functional group. We name such isomers as constitutional isomers. So, if the difference between two molecules relates to the type of functional groups, those molecules, those isomers are constitutional. Any question? So, if two molecules differ from each other, yes, between functional groups we name as constitutional. The other isomers are stereoisomers. Stereoisomers have a main difference, but those isomers do not have difference between functional groups. A good example for this type of isomerism is belongs to glucose and galactose. Please tell me what is the difference between glucose and galactose. Both of them are C6, H12O6.
Different item.
Both of them have aldehyde groups.
Yes, true.
Both of them have OH groups. Then what is the difference between them? The only difference is between glucose and fructose belongs to carbon number 4, which in glucose, the OH is located in your right hand, but in galactose, OH is in the left side. This is the only difference between two types. So these molecules are isomers, and the type of isomers is stereo. We have two types of stereoisomers. I will explain in detail. The first one is conformational, the other is configurational isomers. What are these isomers? Configurational isomers.